How to change your delivery address on Amazon. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change delivery address on Amazon. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, open up Amazon application. Make sure that you're signed into your account. From your home page, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom. Tap on the profile icon. Once you're under the profile page, scroll down and head over to your account section. Then tap on this arrow-like icon next to your account. So here, scroll down and under account settings, there is an option as your addresses. Tap on it. Here, if you want to add new address, tap on add a new address. Then you could add your address from here. Make sure that you fill up all of these details carefully. But if you have already added, there you'll have an option to edit to change your existing one. You could also tap on that. Now after updating, make sure that you also set it as your default address so that it is used automatically. So that's it. You have successfully updated your Amazon delivery address, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.